Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the hot water inlet valve on your LG washer. If you have been experiencing symptoms like no hot water entering the washer, a slow fill, or unexpected leaks during the wash cycle, this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair tips. Let's get your washer back to working like new. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small towel, a pair of adjustable pliers, and a Flatblade screwdriver. And remember, safety comes first. Unplug the washer, turn the water supply off before starting any repairs. Your washer is equipped with two separate inlet valves for cold and hot water. They are mounted through the rear panel side by side. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two bottom screws from the rear plastic brackets. Slide the top panel back for less than an inch and take it off. The hot water inlet valve is on the right, looking from the back. Slowly open the hot water faucet. Did water start dripping inside the washer? If the answer is yes, your hot water valve is doomed. Turn off the hot water faucet to confirm the verdict and see if the trickling stops. If yes, you definitely need a new hot water inlet valve. Get the towel ready and use the pliers to unscrew the hot water inlet hose. Use the flatblade screwdriver to remove the plug from the hot water valve. Place the towel under and using pliers, slide the clamp and remove the hose from the valve. You may need to use a flatblade screwdriver to assist yourself. The last thing is to remove the couple of Phillips screws from the rear. Now we can remove the hot water inlet valve. This is the old hot water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new valve in the cutout. Align the holes and secure it with two Phillips screws. Slide the hose on and use the pliers to install the clamp back. Connect the plug. Install the water inlet hose manually for a few threads. Then use pliers to tighten it. Take it easy doing that. Don't over-tight. Open the faucet, plug the washer in, and run it to test. If there are no leaks, unplug it, install the top, slide it forward to lock, and secure it with a couple of Phillips screws. Plug the washer in again and start doing crazy stuff like, for example, laundry. Great job getting your LG washer back in action. Share your repair experience in the comments below. We would love to hear how it went. If you found yourself in need of a new hot water inlet valve, simply grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Thanks for choosing us to guide you through this DIY repair. We will see you on your next project.